As enterprises face ever-increasing demands on IT infrastructure and progressively greater workloads, CIOs are faced with providing higher levels of service with finite static resources. Always do more with less. CIOs are forced to decide between continued investments and less malleable technologies, or embracing newer, more flexible paradigms such as Java or Microsoft's .NET. It is often said in jest that a legacy system is anything that actually works. This is not far off the mark, but these systems all have several pain points in common. They are supported poorly and at huge cost by a workforce in decline, while integration and time to market are also challenging issues for them. The CIO's dilemma is that touching and modifying those systems has proven to be a very risky, costly and complex exercise that may influence the professional career of the stakeholders. Freesoft's modernization technology and unique approach is the answer to the challenge of legacy system modernization. Freesoft offers turnkey projects resulting in a 100% functional business application. We use our own unique and unified toolkit called the Liberator Workbench in the modernization projects. The toolkit is able to understand and analyze legacy systems, to migrate legacy databases, and to convert applications to newer software platforms. The input for the toolkit can be various legacy technologies, such as older databases and programming languages, while the output converted by the toolkit can be run on the Java or the .NET technology stack. Only the underlying software technologies are replaced during the project, keeping the data and the business logic intact, so the services of the original legacy application remain unchanged. Now we will walk you through the entire process of a typical legacy modernization project using Freesoft's technology and methods. The first step is to define the size and complexity of the legacy application. For a high-level understanding and a ballpark cost and duration estimate, we use our questionnaires, which cover some basic inventory-type questions. A more detailed analysis is needed for any commercial offer or final technical proposal. This process includes both discussions with various stakeholders as well as a source code analysis performed by Freesoft's parsing engine called Knowledge Liberator. The Knowledge Liberator provides an in-depth overview of the entire legacy source code portfolio, including data stores, application programs, and environment components as well. The Knowledge Liberator produces inventory reports with management measures like complexity and effort estimates, and cross-reference reports, both needed for the development of a migration roadmap and accurate project planning. We are prepared to convert a few programming objects for a prospective client to demonstrate the capabilities of our tools. This could be a few representative programs, some screens and database items like files or tables selected as the subject of this proof of concept exercise. Our solution is based on an iterative process, repeating these steps again and again until the result of the migrated Java or .NET application achieves the desired quality, so that it provides the original functionality. The main concept behind those iterations is a reputable automated process, and the fact that we fix all conversion errors by modifying the parameters of the conversion toolkit and not in the migrated application. This way, we keep the automation level at close to 100% in order to mitigate risk and to shorten the project duration. First, our language processor engine parses all the source code elements, creates an abstract syntax tree, builds an abstract code model, and a central repository for them. In the second step of the cycle, the code generators take the models that were created in the parsing step as an input and generate different source code components and database-related scripts from them, everything that is needed to set up a completely new application. The web-based online applications and the batch application packages are built from the source code components using standard procedures. The underlying database scheme is created and loaded with the migrated data of the legacy application as well. Testing means that the behavior of the migrated application is compared to the original one, either in online or batch mode, in a controlled manner. The basis of this process is a set of documented cases that serves as the user acceptance test criteria as well. As far as possible, all errors discovered in the testing phase are fixed by modifying the parameters of the converter tool. Subsequently, the next iteration will always result in a better quality application. When the migrated application passes all test cases with predefined results, the final user acceptance test is carried out and the product is ready for rollout. Finally, let's have a look at a sizable transformation project completed successfully in 16 months. The legacy package was a financial and revenue management system implemented on an Adabas natural platform exceeding 5 million lines of code in approximately 20,000 natural programming objects and additionally 250 Adabas files. The database was migrated to an Oracle and MS SQL server and the entire application was converted to Java.